Number theory 2.16. A group of 25 pennies is arranged into piles such that each pile contains a different prime number of pennies. What is the greatest number of pennies possible in any of the three piles? So if the three piles are A, B, and C, then A plus B plus C is equal to 25. And their A, B, and C are all primes. So since it's equal to 25 and we want C to be the biggest value it can be, then we're going to test it down. So the greatest prime number less than 25 is 23. So if C is 23, that means A plus B is equal to 2, and that's not possible if A and B are both different prime numbers. So then the next smallest is 19. So if C is equal to 19, then A plus B is equal to 6. And that's also not possible because if the two prime numbers are 3 and 3, but they have to be different. So it's also not possible. And then if C is equal to 17, then A plus B is equal to 8. And that could be 5 and 3. So it is possible. So the greatest number of pennies possible in any of the three piles is 17. 2.17. A two-digit prime number is randomly selected. What is the probability that its digit sum is 9? So we're gonna list all the numbers that have digits with sum 9. So 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. So out of these, none of them are prime numbers, so the chance is 0. AOPS number theory 2.19. What are the 5 smallest prime numbers greater than 1000? So since 37 squared is equal to 1369, that means we only have to test all the prime numbers up to 37. So that would be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, and 37. So we're gonna first just test all the odd numbers, because even numbers obviously aren't prime, except for 2, but 1001 is divisible by 11. 1003 is divisible by 17. 1005 is divisible by 5. 1007 is 19. 1009 is not divisible by any of these prime numbers, so this is one of the prime numbers. And 1011 is divisible by 3. 1013 is also divisible by none of them, so it's also a prime number. And 1015 is divisible by 5. 1017 is divisible by 3. 1019 is divisible by none of them. 1021 is also divisible by none of them. and 1023 is divisible by 3, 1027 is divisible by 13, 1029 is divisible by 3, and 1031 is divisible by none of them. So it's also a prime number. So since it asks for the 5 smallest prime numbers, and the 5 smallest prime numbers greater than 1000 are 1009, 1013, 1019, 1021, and 1031.